Good morning, day 3, just before sunrise. Yesterday we sleep here, today here. Wemeska is already awake, who also awake. The sunrise will be beautiful today, because yesterday it was cloudy. Today is not cloudy. Oh, there are kingfishers. 3 kingfishers are fighting each other. Six a.m. in the morning, and just look at the sunrise. Khop mai. Beautiful place. It's our house, our campsite. So last day in Pualreng Sanctuary before leaving. We are having our breakfast with this view again. It's a beautiful morning. So we are about to leave our campsite in Pualreng Sanctuary. All things are packed. Pahong also getting ready. And truck trip to on hot trip. Mase kong chu ala thui do na kong pani lo lui ko highway so highway ni he. Let's go. Campsite chu bye bye hun to I am done cup. So MSK is feeling the last moments with the camp and the view. Warm le ni. Zan ni kan ria ka. Kan ne kan chua. Kala hun to one of the most beautiful campsite. Sometimes this place looks unreal. Not now. Like when the rain came yesterday, you saw the view, the color of water is sky blue. Then you saw the drone shots. Oh man, this place looks so unreal. To be in Mizoram. This is also Mizoram. So it will be a 4 hours of boat ride to the nearest village, which is Saipum. Then from Saipum we'll be heading to North Leman village, where our forest rest house is. We are finally out and we'll be starting soon. The boat is already started. kita kan cowok kan culture cira coba cuan sentra kan kita nah kamu cukup ham berdua ham asal kop nih muncul see oh what a beautiful color of water this just look like a lake so we are going through this Sonai River in Mizoram, which is one of the biggest river also I can say. Let's see the submerged old forest beside the river, and there are some houses of fishermen just beside the river and path of civilization. And that 1 hour back it was like totally sunny day, clear sky. Now there is rain on our head, so clouds are coming and it can be rain anytime. We hope there will be no rain. वो आगे एक केफ है, गुफा है, उसके तरफ हम जा रहे हैं. ये पानी पूरा ऐसे ऐसे हो रहा है. वो so puk amoy khop ni so puk so no देखते हैं इसके पानी के अंदर क्या है. Hey, puk akan tengah ui khop mấy puk chứ so hey kan chau đâu na nuam khop mấy अंतर का छोड़ो ले चलो 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 ऊपर चलो क्यों नहीं जाऊंगा Đen là rồi so botol kantung lagi Mamba. Oh ya kok. Rom cuman angkop nih. Ilung jandu tuh enak lah. chu rakot la sang mo dang nuam khop so refreshing. Ready. Sang lang te khop này so bục Lian dan kha chen mu sha thei tikhan. Let's see how big is the place compared to hey kalau la kan oh mồi tròn tục
वो कर देने के लिए हम लोग को गाड़ी तो लेट हो जाएगा ना
oh
अच्छा आएगा ना गाड़ी
huh
जाएगा
so buk kechungan tia salah so pahat salah itu pahat pelan
फोन कर दो हाँ मत गिरो
gimana bye bye Puk Lian. Tới sắp hơn nữa rồi. Sinh hết thì con sangharin na khop nih lagi anh vào em khop thôi ngon tất cả này cần khen tôi sai pum kan mungro kan dak khum veka kita kan motor podlo sleng to ta kan keng chonga kan let don not Leman. Bringing the engine is the hardest part.
Ria mana sih nang to. Dia dikit kalau aku dong ya kan.
Loading the engine also the hardest part. Bye bye to our boat. Maybe see you next time. Kane can throw down. Anyone want to come here? As you saw the video, hope you like it. So definitely you should contact Boya. He is very kind, very humble, both man, and very safe. So hey, tluang tokin kan tleng ta. Boy at the Zara kan lomong kop me, fel kop me. Hand til kan lay do na. Lum kop me, winche. Kanum na kachua dai nuam zoga. Achal lum kop me hi kati hua aro trip. Aro to ni. Bye bye. Boy cho chuk tha to a. Na thleng to a. Sai pum kwa. Back in our base. Good morning from North Leman. So Fuenchu Isola kan let dona MS anen MSK anen China a bus tikta kanilawa like traveler vehicle ka. So yeah, today we'll be heading back to Aizawl. It will be around 100 kilometer from here to my house. So I'm very thankful to North Leman forest staff here and the chowkidar of the forest rest house. His family is very kind to us, and yeah, they help us like with our food and everything. So yeah, very thankful to Pahunga also, who is the chowkidar of this place, North Leman forest rest house. So this is where we are staying. You can see the dorm. There are around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 beds. Like 6 people can easily fit in this room, and there is one clean bathroom also for this room. So yeah, it was a very good experience here. So as you saw the video, we went to the like core area. Like it's been it's like around 30 around 50 what I will say 20 kilometers, around 30 kilometers from here where we are staying. So we went by a boat. The boat ride was around 3 hours average. Yeah, it was a beautiful ride with scenic views. It was a bit hot there because the elevation is very low, but this village is very beautiful and very clean. So yeah, we'll be leaving soon. Maybe next time I'll come back soon to North Leman. It was a very good trip. We saw good sign of wildlife inside the sanctuary. The only problem is to putting the camera traps next time because of the encroachment and anthropogenic pressure from the locals and of course the hunters. So next time we will get it definitely. And we caught you. Mel chakop me. Pim 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 pim. Căn lồm luôn tụi cái ngủ tôi nè lẹ kalau masalah. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Sikulan kalay mo in mukha. Bye bye. Oh, here is the school down there. Hope they will have their bright future ahead, and they will play the most important role to save Mizoram's precious environment. Bye bye. Aizol से नॉर्थ लिमेन आप कैसे पहुंचोगे? If anyone want to visit North Liman, it's a very good place with very good view. Then the Pualreng sanctuary is very nearby. So how to reach North Liman? From Aizol you can take the road to road by Bongkon, then Durtlang, then Lungdai road. Then I think there is a diversion from Sher Khan. तो शेर खान से आपको लेना है राइट, क्योंकि लेफ़्ट जाने से आपको आएगा कोलासिब, देन राइट लेने से आपको आएगा नॉर्थ लिमेन. The road is very good. It will take just around around 3 hours from Aizol. Yeah. So what to do in North Liman? आप क्या कर सकते हो नॉर्थ लिमेन आने के बाद, कहाँ कहाँ घूम सकते हो? सो यहाँ पे पास में, जैसे कि अभी मैं लौट रहा हूँ तो आने के टाइम में आपको दिखेगा राइट साइड में एक नदी दिखेगा, तुइरियल रिवर. उसमें आप बोट राइड ले सकते हो. यू कैन टेक द बोट राइड. दिस इज़ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल बोट राइड गोइंग थ्रू द sanctuary, the Pualreng wildlife sanctuary. And man, this is, you can feel even that you are in India, or you will feel like you are in somewhere else in foreign country. Or the view is amazing, the boat ride is amazing. It's just not like 15-minute 20-minute boat ride. It will be around 3 to 4 hour of boat ride. And man, it's just beautiful. From North Liman you can you can hire a vehicle, or if you are in a group, then so here is the Pualreng Wildlife Sanctuary main gate. So you can hire a vehicle to the nearest village, which is Saipum. Then from Saipum you can take the boat ride. Man, you will just love it. आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. बोट राइड लेने से मज़ा आ जाएगा. मतलब आप देखे वो वीडियो में कैसा था बोट राइड, और द व्यू, द सीनिक व्यू. सो कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए कैसा लगा आपको वीडियो. फिर मैं आपसे आइजोल में मिलता हूँ डायरेक्ट. अभी रोड में क्या वीडियो बनाना है, इस रोड पर आने के टाइम में आपने देखा होगा, अच्छा रोड है काफ़ी. सो ओके, सी यू इन आइजोल. अभी टाइम हुआ है 8:47 AM इन द मॉर्निंग. छूलो जो मुझे तुम कभी, खो ना जाओ मैं रात दिन, नजरों में तुम हो बस, कहते जो तुम एक बार मेरे हो बस, तुम मेरे नजरों में तुम हो बस, रह जाऊंगा यूं ही, बस यूं ही, बस यूं ही, रह जाऊंगा यूं ही, बस यूं ही, बस यूं ही, रह जाऊंगा यूं ही, बस यूं ही. Welcome back to Aizol. So I have reached Aizol. Now the time is 11:17. 11:17 में पहुंच गया भाई. 9 बजे निकला था. So it just took around 2 hours 20 minutes. Nice. Tell me how is the series, and do not forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends, families and all. So see you On the next trip might be to Phongpui, then Palak Lake again, then Troy Sanctuary for the first time ever in next month. Okay, so see you soon guys. Bye bye. Mang chao le.